Hello, my name is Angela Bruno. I'm a student at the University of South Florida, and I'm currently a junior majoring in global business, concentrating in marketing. So for today, I'm going to discuss my Tableau project and with the information that I was presented. So starting off with just sheet one, this is the data that I was given: the country, region, state, zip code, city, sales, date, department, item, profit, and units sold. So starting off with the first data visualization, I named it sales by department, item, and region. So from here you can see that I split it up into 2 years, which is 2019 and 2020. And I divided it by region, so there's the central, east, south, and west. And from here you can see which department and items are specifically impacted by profit. And I decided to see the average profit as best fit instead of the sum, because just to get an overall view. And from here we can see all the different types of data that is presented from each region. And I noticed that the south region is the one that has the least amount of profit. And I wanted to go deeper into why is that. So for the second visualization, I only decided to focus on the region, specifically the South region, and in 2019 specifically because I noticed that was the one with the lowest amount of sales. And that's when I saw that the canoes and kayaks were kind of the ones that had the lowest profit margins. And I used filters to pick out the specific year, which was 2019. And then for the department, I left all departments just to see which ones were more impactful and to see which ones were still making good gains. And so for my third visualization, I decided to do a profit map just to get a better understanding of which state has the best profit, as well as the one that's making the least amount of profit as well. And from here you can just click around and focus on one specific state and see the different types of average profit each state has. And you can just click away to go back to the original. And from here, the color range is from here you can see the color range from the lowest to highest, the lightest being the lowest amount of average profit, while the darker the color goes, the higher the profit is. So for the lowest amount of profit, it's the state of Mississippi with only 36,962 as our average profit. And second would have to be Georgia, and third Florida, and you can go on from there. So for the low profit chart was my fourth visual. And from here, I broke it down and decided to see which specific state and which city and what specific item was actually causing the low sales profit. And from here, we can see all these different items. Specifically, there's two commonalities of which items are not selling or making as much profit as the company wanted. And I kept both years just to see that there is somewhat of a difference, even though 2019 had one of the lowest average profit as well. And then for my dashboard, I decided to add the sales in the South region, and then I added the profit map to make it easier to identify which items are making the most profit as well as the least amount of profit. My main focus was on the least amount of profit. So as we saw earlier, that Mississippi was the one with the lowest average profit. If we select here, we can go down from here and see what specifically which item and what department had the lowest amount of profits, and we can narrow it down. And their average profit per unit was 134 units, which is really low. And as you can see, we can see that the kayak department was the one with the lowest amount. So that's my dashboard, and that's how the interaction works. And to go back, you can just unclick it to undo it. And then you can also click different states to get the different visualization. But yeah. And And this is my storyline. So starting off from the very beginning. Okay. So I decided to make my story on low profit in Mississippi. So I started with the profits by year, specifically kayaks, because that was the one that was being more impacted in the South. And then I moved on to underperforming items in the South. And I decided to use the dashboard from earlier so we can be able to select the different parts of the map to see which state had the different types of profit. And then I decided to focus on Mississippi and selected specifically their profit in 2019 to see how much and see which specific numbers that this average profit per unit is being represented. And then I did 2020 as well, showing the same information but different profits as well. And for the final one, it's just the total items lost in 2019, which we already lost 1,800 in 2019, which is really low lost. And that's all my story. And that is my whole Tableau project. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye.